Hello everyone, I'm Andy from Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure to like that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today guys, I'm thrilled to be bringing you an in-depth review and unboxing of the Blackview BV8100, as you can see here. A rugged smartphone that promises to redefine durability and performance. We're going to go through and we're going to unbox it, we're going to test it out, we're going to look at the rugged features of it. And you guys are going to find why this is a fantastic smartphone to use. Now guys, if you want to purchase this as well, there's links in the description as well, where you can purchase the Blackview BV8100 and also check out other great deals. But yeah, we can't wait to look at this rugged smartphone. Then we'll take a closer look and look at some of the key features, including its robust build, high performance specs, and impressive camera capabilities. I'll be testing the phone in various environments to show you just how tough it is. And of course, we'll wrap it up with my final thoughts on whether the Blackview BV8100 is worth your investment. But guys, you're absolutely going to love this. Let's take an unboxing and have a look at the Blackview BV8100. I'm really pumped to see this phone. See, there's this phone just there. We're about to jump in and have a look at a bit more details. Nice light packaging, a bit more some of the key features, which we're going to look at right now, guys. So I've already taken off the screen protector, just for the purposes of this review. Comes with a battery charger, a USB-C charging cable, and that's what comes in the box. So let's go and look at the phone itself and take it out. Now to start with, for a rugged smartphone, it actually doesn't feel that heavy, which is good. So there it is there. Press the button, let's bring it on. Turn it on, there it is. So again, there's a vivid display popping up straight away now. Have a look, you've got the SIM card in there. So you've got dual SIM card you can put in there. You've got the volume up, volume down. And here at the back is we have the cameras. So there's the cameras in there. So you've got the AI camera. You've got the 50 megapixel rear camera that you've got in there. And you've also got the front camera, which is 32 megapixel front camera as well. Now the rear camera is actually a Samsung camera. So I can't wait to test that out with you guys. Comes with a G99 octa high performance GPU. So the speed in this is going to be great. The screen there, so there is, and look at that vivid screen. Doesn't it really stand out? As expected, it comes with a pre-applied screen protector to keep that 6.5-inch Gorilla Glass 5 display safe from scratches. The smartphone also boasts a MediaTek Helio G99, an octa-core high-performance GPU that ensures smooth and fast operation. Combined with 16 gig of RAM, that's 8 gig of physical RAM, plus up to 16 gig of virtual RAM, and 256 gig of internal storage, this phone is built to handle anything you throw at it, from heavy multitasking to high-end gaming. And we'll show you guys in a minute exactly how that performance stacks up. One of the key features as well of the Blackview BV8100 is its camera setup. It comes with a 50 megapixel Samsung rear camera that delivers crisp and vibrant photos. There's also a 30 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera and a 32 megapixel front camera, perfect for selfies and video chats. And you guys know Mr. Yoo who loves his pictures. I'll be testing these cameras in various lighting right now so you guys can see exactly how it performs. So let's do that now. And guys, as you can see, this camera's right up there with like your iPhone cameras as well. Stunning clear display, feels very, very good. And you can also get good sound quality from the microphone as well. And there I am in the Brisbane River as well. So this is Brisbane, Australia, a beautiful spot as well. So guys, let me know if you ever come here and visit. Okay, so we're using the main camera on the Brisbane River, and as you can see, look at that picture quality as well, and the image stabilization. The images coming through are very clear, very easy to see, and there's another video of it as well. Now, as you can see, it does it in good light as well, so I did it also in darkness, it was good. The video is great quality. Look at that zoom there as well. Now, here is another video of the river. Look at the water rapid there as well. There's a picture using a 50 megapixel camera, as you can see. Another picture. Look at the level of detail and quality in these pictures. That really is that fantastic Samsung camera that's really showing how it works. Now let's talk about ruggedness. The Blackview BV8100 is built to withstand harsh conditions. It's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures or tough work environments. In Australia, a lot of people use it for trades, so it'll be perfect for building sites. Now, powering this device is a massive 8800 megahertz battery, which means you have to go days without needing to recharge. Plus, with the latest Android 14 operating system, you get a smooth experience, packed with the latest features and security updates. Another exciting feature is a powerful 170 lumens flashlight, which you see at the front there, which comes on. Now this comes on very handy in many situations. So whether you're camping, you've got your keys, dealing with a power outage, the flashlight works really well. And because of high battery life as well, you can use the flashlight for hours. And also you get the USB fast charger. You can quickly power up your device quickly and efficiently. Now let's not forget that beautiful screen. The 6.5-inch display with a 1080 by 2400 resolution provides clear and vivid images. So whether you're playing games, browsing video, it comes with very, very nice video. And a refresh rate of 120 Hz ensures smooth scrolling and a great experience too. Now I did set up the BV8100 Blackbird. It was easy to set up. It also supports dual SIM cards, or you can use one SIM card and a TF card for additional storage. So let's now take a look at a bit of the phone and some of the features. So as you can see, it comes with very fast operating system. Now 8 gig of RAM in the phone, up to 16 gig virtual, and 256 gig of memory means it's got a lot in there. So let's go and look at YouTube to start with of the picture.
Guys, welcome to Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and here again. Now it's a strange place to be sitting today, but I'm actually in the bathroom about to go and shave my head. I'm using the palm shaver to actually do it today.
You can see the quality there. I'm going to go increase the quality on here to the highest picture quality so you guys can see what it looks like. Now look at the quality, very loud as well. Now this is just with one of my reviews as well. Look how clear that looks. The screen fills up the whole thing. And you can see where it's got that AMOLED screen in place. It's really, really nice. So just going to pause that for a minute. Now I want to talk a bit more about the actual ruggedness of it. So as you can see, this is a shockproof, durable smartphone. So you can see you've got the rubbers on the edges there as well, and the rubbers on the edge there. So this is dust, water resistant, and shockproof. Essentially what that means is if you drop this from a height, it won't break. Now, it's got the Gorilla Glass at the front too, which is very, very good. So I'm going to go and drop this later, guys, to show you how effective it is with going through drops, but it's very, very good. I also want to show you this flashlight too while we're out here. So let me just open it up. Now it does face scanning as well. See, I just scanned my face just then, which worked well. So go to the flashlight and you can see the Google settings as well, normal. So flashlight. So just go and look at this quick menus. So they're flashlight. So there we are. So there's the flash for the camera, but we want to put that flashlight on the top there. So let's go here and hold that button down there. As I do there we are. So there's a torch now. Click. Look at that brightness. So to give you guys an idea, actually I'm going to switch off the lights and show you exactly how bright this is. So there you go. Look how bright that torch is. So there's it shining there. Now if I go and put in the room here, look at that. It's like I'm being like in a Ghost Adventures movie. It's very, very bright. Excellent light. Actually on that point, while we've got the light off, let me switch that off. So hold that down, hold the button there, close the torch. Let's go and have a look at the screen we're talking. Click to close torch. That's off, okay. Don't want to do SOS obviously. Let's go back to the screen and just show you how bright it is with that video we're watching before. So look at that. Beautiful. Now I want to show you how a game such as Boom Beach works as well. So there again, there's a really clear graphics as you can see on the screen. But as you can see, you just go and play the game. And if I go and attack someone, you're going to see exactly how effective it is. So let's go and attack this person here. You see how crisp and clear the graphics are, how loud the sound is, and how brilliant it is. So let's go and do an attack. So as you guys can see, look how clear the graphics are. It really is an incredible screen. So let's stop that game there. So whether you're a gamer, you want to watch videos, this is an absolute stunner. You also get up to 1 terabyte, which is great. So guys, if you want to have a ton of photos or videos, the Blackbird BV8100 is perfect for that as well. Network-wise, supports various networks. It's compatible with most carriers. It also features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC. Pretty standard in smartphones, but again, it's packed with a ton of features. So, yeah, a ton of features here. So, we've explored the Blackview BV8100's impressive array of sensors, including a proximity sensor, a light sensor, a G sensor, a gyroscope, a magnetic compass, and a fingerprint sensor for added security. Guys, it's packed with a ton of features. It's quite incredible. So as you see, we've tested out the camera capabilities, the durability, the battery life, and the overall performance in real-world scenarios. The Blackview BV8100 really has stacked up. And I guess the thing is, you're getting basically the features you'd get from, say, a top-end smartphone, a Samsung, into a smartphone here. I mean, it's even got a Samsung camera in it too. And I guess the guys have done a fantastic job. While it's a rugged phone, it's not too heavy either. I mean, you can take this out and about. As you can see, the camera quality is great. The screen's brilliant. It's packed with a ton of features. Guys, the Blackview BV8100 is perfect whether you want to use it for durability, whether you want to use it for a smartphone, when you use it to calls, gaming. This phone is perfect for you. So if you want to purchase it, there's links in the description below. Again, any purchases you guys make really do support the channel. And make sure you guys let me know what you think about the Blackview BV8100, but a perfect durable smartphone, and it was a pleasure to review it. Thanks for joining me here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.